Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the triple rhombus bracelet, and this is what your finished product looks like. I changed the colors, but you don't have to, and you can also attach the segment to a hair clip, and I'm going to show you how to do that, so just give me 1 sec for me to get that. So just give me like 2 seconds. Okay, so here's the bracelet, and I'm also going to show you how to attach it to a hair clip. It looks like this. It's really pretty, and it's really cool too. So I'm going to use this one to show you, so just let me take it off. So you know there's no glue needed, so if you brought your glue bottles, it was very unnecessary. But aside from the glue bottles, here's the diagram. I am going to go fast because, when you actually lay them down is where it really counts. So you're going to take one rubber band. You're going to go from this peg to that peg. Basically, you're just going to make a giant diagonal line with your second. And then you're basically going to do a triple and go up 3 times, as you can see there. And then you're going to go 6 and 7, forming the rhombus pattern. Now I'm going to let you guys study that. Okay, so now we're going to actually lay them down on the Rainbow Loom template. So the materials are your loom, your hook that I just had, your loom, your hook, obviously your kit with your rubber bands, and you'll need one of these C-clips. So yeah, let's get started. Now, like on the diagram, like the diagram showed, I can find it on here. Okay, you can sort of see it. You're going to put your hook to the side, so you shouldn't be able to see your hook. I'm going to put that there so you can still see the template and the diagram. So you're going to take one rubber band of any color. I'm going to use a black, and you're basically just going to go from here. No, you're going to go from here like that. Then you're going to take your other black and just go like that, forming a gigantic diagonal. Push it down. And then I'm making mine Steeler colors. So then you're going to take 3 yellows. You're going to go up, up, and up again. I don't know why they call it the triple, but that's how they showed it. Now you're going to take 2 more blacks, and you're just going to go, sorry if you can't see, but I'm just going to show you at the end. I'm going to go like that. Then you're going to take your other one and go from here to here, forming that giant diagonal you did here. Now you'll be able to see side by side this and this. They basically look the same. I'm going to show you one more time, but without the diagram, so I have more room to actually show you. Now you're going to take a yellow. Well, basically you already made your diagonal, so then you're going to take a yellow and go vertically, well, up, 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 and up again. Like, it gets really easy once you do like 2 or 3. Then take a black and make a long, giant diagonal line. like you did before with 2 rubber bands. Okay, now you're just going to continue this pattern until the end, all the way up here, and usually you'd put a rubber band on the end like a triangle, but this time you're not. We're just going to go straight to hooking. So I want to warn you, and now I'm going to just say continue this until the end. Okay, this is what it should look like when it's done from the arrows where you started. Now, what you have to do is flip your loom over so the arrows are pointing downwards. If I can get you guys a good centered. Perfect. Now, you're going to go in, take your bottom rubber band, oopsies, make sure that doesn't happen, and just hook it like that, forwards. Now, push all this back and grab the other yellow in the middle. And take it to the do the same with the other yellow. I got confused at first over here because I thought you were only supposed to have one, but this is how it is supposed to look. So push that down. Then you're going to go in, grab your black or your top color. If I can grab it. Okay, give me a minute to grab it. Okay, I got it now. Come on. You're just gonna take... Give me a second. You're gonna take this... Okay. You're gonna take it and hook it to the middle. And then you're going to go all the way down, grab the top black, in my case, and put it over there. Then you're going to go back all the way over here, grab your yellow, and if this ever happens, all you got to do is, some of my friends said, no, we have to start all over, but you don't. You just have to grab this, pull it through both rubber bands and hook it to the peg. Then you're going to take the yellow and, oopsies. Sorry, that happened to me again. But if it's in a pickle, like a really big section, you just keep your cool and do that. So, and then take the black, get over here, take the other black, and hook it over here. There you just hooked 2 sections. Well, you hooked 1 section. You hooked like, this part of it. If I can, that part. So you're just gonna continue this pattern until, keep hooking it like this until the end. Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done from where the, where you started. Okay, so on the end here, you're going to go in, take your hook in the middle peg, and you're going to take a rubber band. I'm using black. And you're just going to hook it on the edge of your hook, and you're going to pull it through everything and basically make a loop like this. Then you're going to pull it off and loop one end over the other. And you're going to put it over here. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side over here. Do not do it to the end. So basically just do what you did there, here. But I will demonstrate again if you didn't get the hang of it the first time. You're going to go in, you're going to pull through every rubber band, take it here, and then you're just going to take one end over the other, and pull it, forming a knot at the bottom, and put it to the middle. Now, I like going from the bottom, but you can go from the top, and go from the bottom and just take it off. Or top, whichever one you think works best for you. I'm going to do it sideways and like punch it to my knee. Just take off your bracelet. And here's your finished product. First, I'm going to show you how to attach it to a hair clip. So you take a hair clip like this, making sure it has edges for you to actually put the rubber bands on. Like you can see on both sides, it has these little edges at the bottom that you can grab onto. So we're just going to take our bracelet like this. Well, you do tie a knot at the end, one of those knots, and you're going to attach it to one of the ends on one side. You're basically just going to do the same thing on the other side. So it's really easy, and you can do this with any segment. When I first learned it, it was on that heart pattern. Then I experimented with attaching other segments to it, and experiment successful. So you can attach any segment to a hair clip, and that's your hair clip. Now let's get back to extending. In this bracelet, we're going to attach loop, take our hook, put it through them both. Grab a few. Because I don't use big extensions, because I don't like them because they take up too many rubber bands and they fit me perfectly. You're just basically going to make a single. You can do this with the loom, but I like to do it. I personally think it's easier by hand. Like you just keep looping it over until it would fit your wrist. So this about fits mine. So you are going to take it off your hook or attach to the gripper. I like taking it off. And just put on your C-clip like this. Then you're going to go in to your two sections and C-clip this to those sections. Now you have a Pittsburgh Pride triple diamond. Thank you for watching.